What's up, guys? Welcome back.
What's up, guys? Welcome back.
Don't feel like dislike slash.
Watch our videos.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah.
On every video.
Expect that like on every video. Do another video on our channel.
Yeah. This is what we do. We wreck it with scooters that we found in the trash. The trash. We reckon the parking lots in the trash time. We recycle these. Let's turn rubber, baby.
That was definitely burning rubber.
Alright, guys.
That's it for today.
Shut it out. Oh. Alright guys, I'm going to show you what the interior looks like. Just a quickie. This is a before shot. Now I'm not going to be able to do the carpet. I am replacing the carpet. But I will be doing all the rest. All the doors and everything. Have a look on the front side here. Front side's not too bad. It's actually better than the back side. There you go. So I'm going to use the cleaning vinegar. This is double strength. A little bit more, so it just disinfects it a little bit better. It's not going to ruin the leather, but what it's going to do, it will dry it out a little bit. So we recommend this online, is what I've heard anyways, is any type of cleaner conditioner. So this is a protective, it's an all-in-one, so it cleans, conditions, and protects all in one easy step. So we're gonna disinfect it first, which I've already sprayed. I just couldn't do it while I was filming because I didn't have any of the stuff set up. Yeah, I got a little weird bucket in my gloves. Make sure you wear gloves and a respirator. I've already sprayed all the spores. Now we're just waiting. We're gonna give it about 15 minutes to soak, and then we're gonna come back. We're gonna scrub it all down, dry it all down, let it sit again until it's completely dry, and then we're going to put this back on, or I mean this on next, and that should clean it up and make it look nice and shiny and brand new. Hopefully, fingers crossed. There might be some staining, so what I might have to do is bleach the white. I'll have to look into that. I'm not sure if that's an option yet, but it could be done. The brown or the tan is good, but I might have to just bleach that part. Okay guys, you've seen the mold. Now I've sprayed some white vinegar. I let it sit, and then I gave it a good scrubbing, and then a good rinsing with water, and then I let it dry. And now I've got another cleaner, which I showed you, the protector. And now I am just cleaning up the leather and conditioning it. And I got to continue this process through the rest of the sections. As you can see, it's making a big difference. And the door as well, which I've done with the vinegar. Everything's been disinfected in the back, except for the upholstery, which I will be doing with some other chemicals I have. Okay guys, still more to go. Done this part, and I mean, if you guys seen it before this, what an incredible change. As you can see, I still got to do all the upholstery, so don't worry about that. We're only doing the leather today.